We all know the feeling. The holidays roll around, and suddenly we're craving familiar sights, sounds, and tastes. It's a time when nostalgia takes over, and we find ourselves drawn to the traditions that have been part of our lives for years. Maybe it's the smell of gingerbread cookies baking in the oven, filling the house with a warm, spicy aroma that instantly transports us back to our childhood. Or perhaps it's the sound of a classic holiday jingle, the kind that makes you want to sing along, no matter where you are. These traditions don't just warm our hearts, they drive serious business. The holiday season is a goldmine for retailers and brands, as consumers are more willing to spend on gifts, decorations, and festive foods. Smart brands tap into these feelings. They understand that the key to successful holiday marketing is to connect their products with the emotions of the season. They connect their products with the emotions of the season. By doing so, they create a sense of familiarity and comfort that resonates with consumers on a deeper level. Think about it. What's more powerful than a marketing strategy built on the magic of tradition? When a brand can seamlessly integrate itself into a family's holiday rituals, it becomes more than just a product. It becomes a cherished part of the celebration. Many companies use holidays to boost sales. They know that this is a time when people are looking for special deals and unique items to make their celebrations even more memorable. They might offer special discounts or create themed packaging. These tactics not only attract customers, but also enhance the festive atmosphere, making the shopping experience more enjoyable. But Coca-Cola did something different. They didn't just rely on discounts or packaging. They created an entire holiday icon. They took a holiday icon and made it their own. By associating Santa Claus with their brand, Coca-Cola created a powerful and enduring image that has become synonymous with the holiday season. This bold move wasn't just about selling soda. It was about creating a legacy that would last for generations. It was about creating a legacy. Coca-Cola's holiday campaigns have become a beloved tradition in their own right, evoking fond memories and a sense of nostalgia for millions of people around the world. This is the power of understanding your audience. Coca-Cola knew what people craved during the holidays, and they delivered it in a way that was both memorable and meaningful. Coca-Cola knew what people craved during the holidays. They tapped into the universal desire for joy, togetherness, and tradition. And they did it in a way that felt authentic and genuine. They delivered it in a big, unforgettable way. From their iconic holiday trucks to their large-scale displays, Coca-Cola's holiday marketing is a masterclass in creating a brand experience that people look forward to year after year. This wasn't just marketing genius. It was a masterclass in building a brand that lasts. By understanding their audience and tapping into the emotions of the season, Coca-Cola created a holiday tradition that continues to thrive. It was a masterclass in building a brand that lasts. Coca-Cola's holiday campaigns are a testament to the power of emotional marketing and the enduring appeal of a well-crafted brand story. Let's talk about Santa Claus, the beloved figure who has become synonymous with Christmas cheer and joy. He's the jolly old elf who brings joy to children worldwide, spreading happiness and wonder wherever he goes. But did you know that his image wasn't always so consistent? Over the centuries, Santa's appearance has undergone numerous transformations. Before Coca-Cola got involved, Santa's appearance varied widely. He was often depicted in different ways, reflecting the diverse cultures and traditions that celebrated him. He was depicted in different colors and sizes, sometimes wearing green, blue, or even brown outfits. His size and demeanor also changed, from a tall, thin figure to a short, plump one. He sometimes looked more like an elf than a jolly old man, with a mischievous and playful character that was quite different from the Santa we know today. Then, in 1931, Coca-Cola commissioned artist Haddon Sundblom to create a new image of Santa for their holiday ads. This marked a significant turning point in the evolution of Santa's image. Sundblom's Santa was jolly, approachable, and wore the now iconic red and white suit. This wasn't an accident. The red and white colors were chosen deliberately to align with Coca-Cola's brand colors. Red and white were Coca-Cola's brand colors, and by dressing Santa in these colors, they created a strong visual association between the holiday season and their product. By associating Santa with their brand, Coca-Cola cemented their place in holiday traditions. Their advertisements became a staple of the Christmas season, further embedding their version of Santa into popular culture. This image resonated with people. The warm, friendly, and approachable Santa created by Sundblom quickly became beloved by the public. It quickly became the most popular depiction of Santa Claus, overshadowing all previous versions and setting a new standard for how Santa should look. Today, it's hard to imagine Santa looking any other way. The red and white suit, the jolly demeanor, and the twinkling eyes have become iconic. Coca-Cola's campaign wasn't just about selling a product. It was about creating a lasting cultural impact, one that would endure for generations. It was about shaping culture. By redefining Santa Claus, Coca-Cola didn't just influence holiday marketing. They helped shape the very essence of Christmas celebrations around the world. Consistency builds trust. Think about your favorite brands. What do they all have in common? They consistently deliver on their promises. Whether it's quality, customer service, or brand experience, they show up every single time. Coca-Cola understands this. For decades, they've been using consistent branding elements, the red and white colors, the iconic script, the familiar bottle shape. This consistency goes beyond visuals. Think about their advertising. The messages might change, but the feeling remains the same. Happiness, togetherness, refreshment. This relentless consistency breeds familiarity. It makes consumers feel comfortable and secure. They know what to expect from Coca-Cola, and that builds trust. Trust leads to loyalty, and loyalty is the holy grail of branding. Section 4. More than a drink. Sharing stories, selling feelings. People connect with stories. We always have and we always will. Coca-Cola understands this. They've been telling stories through their advertising for decades. Their holiday campaigns in particular are known for their heartwarming narratives. Remember the polar bears? The adorable animated creatures sharing a Coke? Or the heartwarming commercials featuring families coming together for the holidays? These aren't just ads. They're stories that evoke emotions. They make us feel happy, nostalgic, and connected. And they subtly remind us that Coca-Cola is a part of those good feelings. By associating their product with positive emotion, Coca-Cola creates a powerful brand connection. They're not just selling a drink, they're selling a feeling. Section 5. The Taste of Yesterday. Nostalgia as a marketing tool. Nostalgia is a powerful emotion. It's that warm and fuzzy feeling we get when we think about happy memories from the past. Coca-Cola cleverly taps into this nostalgia, particularly during the holidays. They know that for many, the holidays are a time for reminiscing about childhood and family traditions. Their holiday ads often feature nostalgic imagery. Think vintage Santa illustrations, snow-covered landscapes, and children laughing. These images evoke a sense of simpler times and happy memories. By associating their brand with these positive feelings, Coca-Cola creates a powerful emotional connection with their audience. They're not just selling a drink, they're selling a trip down memory lane. This tactic is incredibly effective because it taps into something universal, the longing for the past. Section 6. The clock is ticking. Scarcity and the fear of missing out. Limited time offers create a sense of urgency. We've all been there. You walk into a store or browse online and you see that flashing sign, limited time offer, or only a few left in stock. Instantly, your heart races a bit faster. The idea that you might miss out on something valuable or desirable triggers a psychological response. You see a product you like, but it's only available for a limited time. Suddenly, you're more interested. This phenomenon is known as the scarcity principle. When items are perceived to be in short supply, they become more attractive to us. It's a basic human instinct to want what we can't easily have. You don't want to miss out. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a powerful motivator. It can drive us to make purchases we might otherwise skip, simply because we don't want to lose the opportunity. Coca-Cola utilizes this principle brilliantly, especially during the holidays. They understand that the festive season is a time when people are more likely to indulge in special treats and make impulse purchases. Think about their limited edition holiday packaging. These aren't just regular cans and bottles. They are adorned with festive designs that evoke the holiday spirit. These special designs are only available for a short period. This limited availability makes them more desirable. People want to get their hands on these unique items before they disappear. This creates a sense of excitement and exclusivity. Shoppers feel like they are part of a special group that has access to something unique and fleeting. It encourages consumers to purchase the product before it's gone. The fear of missing out on these limited edition items drives sales and increases customer engagement. This strategy isn't limited to packaging either. Coca-Cola extends this principle to their product offerings as well. Coca-Cola also releases limited edition flavors during the holidays. These unique flavors are only available for a short time, adding to the sense of urgency and exclusivity. These limited time offerings achieve two things. First, they drive sales by creating a sense of urgency. People are more likely to buy when they know the opportunity is fleeting. First, they drive sales by creating a sense of urgency. The ticking clock makes consumers act quickly, leading to increased sales during the promotional period. Second, they generate buzz and excitement around the brand. It's a win-win situation. People talk about these limited edition items on social media, share their finds with friends, and create a buzz that further amplifies the brand's presence. This word-of-mouth marketing is invaluable and helps to keep Coca-Cola top of mind during the holiday season.